On Wednesday, members of the business community will gather at Tropicana's conference room for a high-level forum on blockchain technology and digital cryptocurrencies. It comes mere months after the ECCB announced exploration into the digital market with the launch of a pilot project in Grenada and 3 other Caribbean territories. Dr. Stephen Fletcher, Chief Strategist of Campus International Consultants, Inc., and host of the event, spoke on the need for such an event here in Grenada and what he hopes to achieve.
And it has been held against the background of the 2 major events. One is the growth of blockchain and digital currency in itself. Our listening and viewing audience will be very familiar with Bitcoin, for example, as one of those cryptocurrencies. But secondly, and very importantly, the ECCB has announced as of March 13th of this year that they are embarking on a pilot project that looked at blockchain and digital currency within the East Caribbean Currency Union area. And therefore, we at Campeche thought it is useful as part of our educational program, that is our public education program, to host such a forum to bring awareness as well as to educate at this point the business community.
Dr. Fletcher also announced an interesting lineup of speakers for Wednesday's seminar.
One, we are going to be having a representative from the ECCB that will be providing us with information on the rational background of the launch pilot project. We are going to be having a representative from the company out of Barbados that has been contracted to run the pilot project. It's what's called a fintech, a company that finances technologically based organizations and companies. We are also going to have our own in terms of Mr. Richard Duncan, who is the general manager of Cooperative Bank. He's going to be one of the key feature speakers. At the local front as well, we have Mrs. Lucia Livingston-Andel of Ariza Credit Union. She has been involved in the financial landscape for many years. She has led and continuing to lead one of the largest credit unions on the island and has an enormous amount of knowledge on what's happening within that space, that digital space.
The high-level forum is backed by a number of sponsors, and it is scheduled to begin at 9 a.m. Lakeisha Felix for GBN News.